Hey guys, Coaster Fanboy here. Welcome back with another video. Today, we're doing the 14th construction update of Orion. A lot has happened during the construction, and that's really good. So, the Camelback hill is finished completely, and they've started putting up supports for the weird, like, figure eight helix kind of thing. And yeah, that's about it that's changed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for all that's changed, I think. They're building it really fast, and yeah. So, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.